Hi, we are here to teach you how to bake homemade bread. Ingredients: 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of oil, and 2/3 cup of warm water. First, you start by mixing silted flour, baking powder, and salt. Mix it a little bit. Then add oil, and mix it again. And for the last part, you add the warm water little by little until the dough doesn't stick to your hands. Make sure your hands are very clean. Then cover the bowl with the cloth and let it rest for 30 minutes. Now we will need a clean surface to spread the dough. We used aluminum foil to do this. Now we take a piece of dough almost the size of the ping pong ball. Spread some flour on the surface. and use a rolling pin to spread the dough until it becomes so thin. Light the stove. Put a pan or a flat iron tray until it gets hot. Then put the bread on the pan and let it bake. When you see the bubbles on the bread, you have to turn it so that the other side will bake. And continue the same process. Now our bread is ready. Enjoy!